So making a quick unboxing video here. We got a Cajon drum from Gear4music. Making this video purely to show what you get in the box. So this was £44. Gear4music. You get a kit bag. It's got straps on it like a rucksack. You carry it around. These things are great for busking. We got two zips on it. The kit bag itself, gig bag. There's about a centimetre of foam all the way around it, so it's quite well protected in there. So that's a decent bag, really. Good, decent gig bag there. I would say. Also get, that's about 8mm thick for you to sit on. Something like nothing, but better than nothing. It's good. This one's got an ebony front. Let's give it a go. Inside of this one, you've got you got a snare, right, and you've got some bells that are hanging. You've actually got there's two, what are they, like these like metal, got feet as well, the metal snare. It's like bits of wire, 2 bits of metal up there and 2 bits going down there on the inside. So the snare is more around the outside. And then to the middle. And then up here. Can you hear the bells hanging? Obviously, the purpose of these things is for you to sit on it, really. Right? But look at that. That is, wait a minute, let me just get that. That's sturdy, that is. So the wood here, it's not ply. That's solid wood. It's about 7 or 8 mil thick. You see there? So that's the thickness all the way around. So, apart from the front, which is thinner wood, I'm sure, you can see there's no sort of, this thing is sturdy, you know, you could kick that, not that you're going to want to top and bottom it's sturdy, so, you know, if you're going on 17, 18 stone, it's going to take your weight, yeah. So, see, this, if I haven't said, this was £44. I'm not really a drummer, okay? I'm not a drummer, right? Although I use a bit of rhythmic patterns on harmonica and guitar. This is bought for a friend. Hopefully he's gonna use it in the church. So for £44, you can't go wrong with this. Obviously there are much more advanced versions of this type of drum. Of course there are. There's ones with volumes and everything else. Electric. for something like this, we did a Christmas gig this year in our local pub, and we used one of these. It was not mic'd up, and it gave good fullness to the sound and really elevated what we were doing. There's plenty more videos about these things on YouTube. All I wanted to do really was show a video of what you get in the box, what you get for your 44. This is definitely the sort of thing that I would recommend for a beginner, or if you're just on a low budget and you just want to get started with something like this. Definitely recommend it. I hope that helps somebody. God bless.